Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading. What we're showing you today, this is a 750 gallon double motion agitator for a Lee kettle. We're in the process of rebuilding. It's equipped with a 5 horsepower Euro drive, which we've already rebuilt. Of course, the Lee factory gearbox, which is a 4-to-1 gearbox. So doing some cleanup, some road guards to make. This is just part of the process. We have to go through the factory gearbox from Lee, make sure we've got good gears, all new bearings, seals, make adjustments to those gears so they track correctly inside, ride smooth and quiet without any noise. You see we've added all new scrapers to it. They'll be tailored to the inside of the vessel, and cut to whether or not they need to be curved, which is usually down the bottom. The little cutout you see there in the scraper agitator is for internal temperature probe. And at the bottom we've added a bushing where the counter-rotating agitator enters into the scraper agitator. All stainless steel bridge, and it's going to be mounted in the kettle. We'll do some further work, and a little bit different because now it starts working once the kettle is filled with fluid against a force, and we can actually simulate production type conditions. We have lots of equipment like this in our stock, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we certainly look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.